Hey, this is Jeremy Ashburn, and I've got Todd Weaver with me with PowerHouse WiFi. Hey, Todd, how are you?
Hey, Jeremy, what's going on?
Well, today what we're doing is asking the common questions that people ask you. So,
Mhm.
first of all, what do you do, Todd?
Well, we here at PowerHouse WiFi, we don't supply, we're not an internet service provider. We don't supply internet or Wi-Fi. What we do is we just make the Wi-Fi that you have in your small office or in your home much better.
Okay, got it. So obviously we all have internet, we all have Wi-Fi, but a lot of times Wi-Fi can bottleneck or slow down. So if you're downstairs and you're upstairs, and boom, it's just crawling. And so I would say probably one of the most common questions is, why do I have slow Wi-Fi?
Yeah, that can come from a couple of different things. First of all, of course, you don't really have a say, or you don't think about it whenever AT&T or Spectrum are putting in your cable modem, or as we call it, the little black box. You don't realize how where they put it impacts your daily Wi-Fi life so much, and so a lot of times it's just distance.
Mhm.
They may put it in a closet. I've seen them. I was with a client the other day, and it was literally up in this gentleman's closet, which was in one far end of the house, like above his jackets. And so by the time the Wi-Fi has to make it out of that room into the big room and then maybe to an office or whatever, by then, because of walls and glass and things like that, it's been what we call attenuated to the point where it's just really unusable.
So how do you solve that problem? If it's slow in one area, how do you
Mhm.
speed it up?
Yeah. So what we do is I represent Ruckus Wireless. It's the access point that I feel like I can stand behind.
Mhm.
Technology is amazing. What I do is I put in a switch, and I run. It's a little bit art, a little bit science, but I decide where in the structure I need to put an access point or two or three, and make it where the the signal, the throughput that we're trying to get accomplished, no matter where you are in the house, it's as if you're standing right next to that cable modem. It's actually sometimes literally it can be even faster than if you're standing right next to the cable modem, because the Ruckus equipment, think of it kind of like Niagara Falls.
Sure.
It can transmit and receive tremendous amounts of information all at once. So there's no bottlenecks.
Got it. So the final result is that the internet could be faster everywhere, but you're definitely not going to have any bottlenecks or slow areas in the structure.
That's right, exactly. Like a lot of times they tell me that when their son gets home and starts gaming, or when the husband is on working with his Salesforce or whatever, that gosh, everybody else suffers because that one power user is come on the network. We eliminate all that.
Got it. Definitely. So if you want to learn more about this whole process, go to powerhousewifi.com, or you could call Todd directly at 214-862-3363. And on Powerhouse Wi-Fi, there's a lot of these videos and a lot of documentation that just covers this whole process, how he does it, and how he solves problems. And then you provide a free consultation, right, over the phone or in person.
Chances are I'll need to come out and take a look at the structure. That's the only way I can do it accurately.
Got it, definitely. So if you're in that situation where you need that, you want him to come out, and that's really your first step to figure out, how can we solve this problem. So when it's done, boom, you'll have super fast Wi-Fi. So thanks for your
Mhm.
time.
Okay, thank you.